Hello friends, I am Avtar Singh. This is my Avtar Singh Home Gardening Tips channel. We talk about how to grow desi variety hibiscus plant cutting and how to cutting from plant and how to grow in disposal glasses with easy way. Let's go. We show this in video. We cut two branches from plant. We use Alvira plant leaf and their gel we use as a rooting hormone. We cut branch in 45 angles. We use a scissor. Already cut a branch of 45 angle and rub in the aloe vera plant leaf. We use aloe vera gel as a rooting hormone. This is a best hormone for rooting as organic hormone. We hole in the soil about 2 inches deep with scissor. And set in the hole gently and press with finger. Very tightly press. We choose air out from the soil. We repeat this step with the second cutting. Cut in the 45 angle and rub in aloe vera leaf. Make a hole with the scissor in the soil and cutting set in the hole and press with the finger tightly. We use normal garden soil to grow cuttings. You are also use coco peat, vermicompost, cow dung compost, and contraction sand also use. We give some water to cutting and cover with a milk packing pouch and set for 30 days in semi-set area. Thank you. We hope you happy and like and my video. Please subscribe my channel for more notification for me.